Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making bread, and you only need 4 ingredients, and one of them is water, and then the rest is flour, yeast, and salt. So the first thing is you need 4 cups of flour. 4 cups of flour. Put them in a big bowl. One, two. I'm getting flour everywhere. 3. That was a little less than 4, so I'm just gonna get that's 4. Ugh. Okay, next is 1 tablespoon of yeast. Tablespoon of yeast. That was a little less. That was a lot. Okay, 1 tablespoon of yeast. Next, 1 teaspoon of salt. I couldn't find my teaspoon, so I'm just going to use a half teaspoon and do 2 of those. 1. No, I'm just going to put some in a bowl. Okay, and then I'm going to dump the bowl in there. That is 1 teaspoon. And then you mix it all together. So I need a spatula. Just mix it together. I don't know how long I'm supposed to do this for, but I'll do it just until it looks good. Okay, next, 2 cups of warm water. That's so cold. That's not warm. Okay. One. 2. Okay. Now, okay. You might need to add a little more water, but mine looks pretty wet right now. So I'm just gonna mix this a little bit. You know what? Let me get a little more water, actually. Okay, perfect. Okay. And now after you're done mixing it pretty well, you cover and let it dry for 2 hours. I'll see you in 2 hours. Alright guys, it's been 2 hours, and I made a mistake. I I said let it dry for 2 hours, but I meant let it rise for 2 hours. Okay, anyways, I have to sprinkle flour on the table. Gotta do like a lock, gotta make sure that the dough is good. And then I have to get my fingers wet. And let's see the dough. Okay, let's try to dump this out without making a mess. Okay, how do I do this? Oh my goodness. That's so much. Okay, let me get my fingers wet again. Okay, now I need to, stretch and pull and stretch and pull and stretch and pull and stretch and pull. Oh, that's so sticky. Okay, hold on. Gotta get this all off my fingers. All right, now let it rest for 30 minutes. Actually, let me put parchment paper under that so that it's just better. Hang on here. Wait. How do I pick this up? Okay. Okay, this should be good. Now all I have to do is cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. So I'll see you in 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. I uncovered it while I wasn't on camera, but now I am going to pick this up and put it in the pan. And I'm going to take the lid and put it on. And Daddy, come here. Can you open the oven, please? Can you put it in? And for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to let that sit for 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes. Now I'm going to uncover it and then put it in the oven for 15 more minutes. So what I got to do, I got to uncover it. And Daddy, need your help again.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Looks good, Ellie.
I'll see you in 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. My dad is taking it out now. We're going to taste it. I can't wait. I gotta get it. Alright. Quickly get it over here. I can't wait to taste it. Look at that. It's hot. I can't cut this. It's so hot.
Yeah, so wait a minute.
Oh, that's hard.
The outside. Ooh,
Oh, that's gonna be so hot. No way. Look at that. Whew. Hot. Look at the inside of that. Whew, 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 whew. That's so hot. Whew. Gonna have to put some butter on it. And then I'll give it a taste test. But it's so hot, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Huh. Bum 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 bum. Hot. Keeps on burning me. Alright, done buttering. I want... Okay, this is so hot. Maybe I should get a towel. No, where is the glove thingy? Oh, thanks. This is silly. Ha! That's delicious. Can't believe I made bread with only 4 ingredients. You guys should try this sometime. Bye!